Hello everyone. Today we will learn one of the Excel tips that how to insert a watermark in our Excel sheet. So here I have an Excel sheet where I want to insert a watermark. So what we will do, go to insert. Here you will find a tab where you will get a option to insert header and footer. Just select this one. In the header you can insert a picture, browse from your computer and just click here. So you can see a watermark came here, and if we want to print it, you can see it is there, but it's not aligned properly. So what you can do, just select here, click enter. It will work accordingly and it will drag down. So you can align it as per your relevance. This is the way how we can use or print watermark to our Excel sheet. Thank you for watching.